Alright guys, first bait going out. This little, I wouldn't really call it a wake bait, but a little crankbait, shallow diving crankbait. That's what we're going to be throwing, so let's get it, folks. Alright guys, so it's definitely a windy day right now. It's like literally about 20-mile-per-hour winds. I'm up here in this little bayou trying to get a little bit protected, but it's still pretty windy, guys. But it definitely feels really good to get back out here, do some fishing. I mean, it's been nearly a week since I've been out, so it feels great, guys, to be out here and get some sun, and hopefully we can get on some nice fish. All right guys, so I was just trolling this and I got hit. Not sure what it is, but I was just trolling this back behind my yak and something crushed it. I need to go ahead and steer my kayak. I'm gonna guess it is a speckled trout, guys. Ooh, guys, look at there. Look at that little specky, folks. Look at that. Just trolling along these docks, guys, because this wind just has all this water just flushing out. So that's exactly what I was doing, guys. I was just trolling down these docks. We have an outgoing tide. A natural presentation catches fish, folks, and that right there is a beautiful speckled trout. He's definitely legal, but I am not going to keep him, guys, just because I didn't bring an ice box. But look at that beautiful fish right there. All right, guys, first fish right there, an absolute beautiful speckled trout. He's a little bit roughed up. That crankbait was just all up in him, so I'm going to let him go as quick as I can. And there he goes, guys, slowly but surely. There he goes. Tail moving. Perfect. That's what I'm talking about right there, folks. We out here in Pensacola catching some nice speckled trout, and that guy crushed the crankbait. And what I'm fixing to do, I'm fixing to go back up channel and do the same thing, guys, and basically just troll down. But very good sign right there. First 15-20 minutes of the day, we got a nice speckled trout. I would say he's about 16-17 inches. Fish on, guys. Literally the first cast. What in the world is this? What? What? Oh, guys, he might be bait. He might be bait, folks. I don't know. A little croaker. I should literally use him as bait, guys. I don't have a bucket though. Hold up. All right, guys, I have to do a little makeshift live well. Oh God, he's going crazy. I'm gonna put him in there, and if I don't catch anything here in about 30 or 45 minutes, guys, I'm gonna put that guy on because I know something will crush him. But just switched to this little soft plastic on a jig head. First cast, I got nailed. So I'm gonna keep on throwing this. All right, I think it's time to put him on. I've been throwing artificials all day, folks, but still have this nice little croaker in here, and he is still alive, I'm pretty sure, but I'm gonna tie him on, and I'm gonna chunk him out in this channel right here and see what happens. That is our culprit right there. I have a good feeling about this. right. And basically, guys, we are just going to chuck him out just like that. Let him kind of float back. And then just hold on. Ooh, guys, I have a freaking fish on. I think. Oh my god. Do I? I don't know. I don't think I do. That was... I don't know. I don't know, guys. I might have a freaking fish. That was so weird. Feels really heavy, but I think it's just my croaker. Feels like dead weight, guys. Now this is a fish, folks. What in the world is... Oh my gosh! Oh, there's only one thing that could have been, folks. That was a gaff top catfish right there. Guaranteed. Look at all that slime. Gosh. I wonder why my circle hook didn't work. I mean, that's weird, but alright, folks, just missed that one. So I don't know what I'm gonna do now. I might see if I have a little spoon and go try and catch some more croaker, but it's kind of weird what that was. Just had my first bite. Just had my first bite, guys. It's gonna be a good day. Guys, check that out. There's a freaking pelican in here. What in the world? What's up, buddy? Guys, I just saw some nice mangrove snappers. Very nice mangrove snappers, guys. They were pretty, I would say they're about 12 or 13 inches. Very decent inshore mangrove snappers, but not sure if they're gonna bite. They've been very finicky. Ooh, I just got nailed, folks. I just got nailed. Uh-oh. There he is, guys. I got him. What is it? Oh my gosh. Guys, check that out. A little 6-inch mangrove snapper. Probably my first snapper in about 2 or 3 months, but look at that guy. Absolutely beautiful. It feels really good being able to catch some snapper once again. There he goes. All right, folks. So we got one mangrove snapper about 6 inches. Definitely cool to be changing up the species here lately. I tell you what, pretty much in March and April, guys, is basically just sheep's head, with the occasional redfish and speckled trout and whatnot. But all right, guys, let's see if we can't pull up a legal mangrove. I haven't caught a legal mangrove in about 5 months, probably about 3 or 4 months actually, but. There he is, guys. There he is. This feels like a snapper. Ooh. Oh my gosh. There he is, guys. Ooh, folks, look at there. Look at that mangrove. Check that out, folks. We got ourselves a mangrove snapper. We're gonna get him measured up. All right, these guys have to be 10 inches, and this guy's going crazy, folks. First fish of the day right here. Let's see how much he measures up. All right, put him on 0. Check that out, guys. That is a legal mangrove snapper. First mangrove snapper in a minute, guys, and he is going home. Might have to do a catch and cook or something with this guy, but he's gonna go in the cooler. We are gonna get back to fishing, but beautiful little first fish right there. Ooh, nice fish, guys. Nice fish right here. Oh, is this a red snapper? Guys, I have a freaking red snapper on. No freaking way. Oh my gosh. I need to tighten up my drag a little bit. Oh my gosh, he got off, folks. Oh, he broke my hook. Guys, that was a red snapper. I saw it. He was probably 16, 17, but dang it. Time to retie. Guys, I am so mad that I lost that red snapper. He looked like a pretty decent one too. I mean, it was really cool. My leader was frayed and it just broke, so that's the reason why he cut me off right there. There he is, guys. There he is. Oh, this is a good one. Good one, guys. Very good one. Come on, buddy. Come on up. Oh my God. What is this? Oh, it's a little redfish, guys. It's a little redfish. And dang, he swallowed the hook, folks. Gosh. Check that out, guys. And look at that sun beaming on this guy. A little redfish right there. And he absolutely swallowed that hook. So I'm going to get him out, hopefully, and then measure him up. But I don't think he's going to be 18. All right, folks, that is the 4th or 5th fish of the day, a little redfish. I'm not going to keep him, but he did swallow the hook and he is bleeding, so I'm going to let him go as quickly as I can. There he goes, guys. Heck yeah, another species. So we got a mangrove snapper, a redfish, and what else? And a croaker. Guys, I was just trolling this freaking crankbait and this thing got slammed like right at the freaking dock. No way. No way. Oh my gosh. I don't know what this is. Guys, this thing just took a ran. I didn't even have my GoPro on and I'm sitting here literally about to get back on the beach, guys. And this thing just takes off. I have not seen it yet. I'm not sure what it is. I think it's a redfish, guys. That would be really sweet to get a redfish. That was so sweet. Guys, literally, check this out. I just took my freaking Mirage drive out because I was about to beach. I was literally about to beach my yak. And this thing just starts screaming. I mean... Alright. I have a wind knot too, guys, so I'm trying to get that in. Nice redfish, guys. Nice. Beautiful redfish, guys. Oh my gosh, what a fish. What a fish. What a fish, folks. I have my net right here. I think this guy might be a bull. Oh my gosh, he annihilated that crankbait, guys. I'm not sure if he is going to be slot. He's going to be really close. Landed. There we go, folks. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Literally the last minute of the trip. The last minute, folks. And we hooked up to this monster. Oh my gosh. Look at that thing, guys. Beautiful fish right there. I'm gonna get him off the crankbait and measure him up. I think he's a little bit over slot. I'm not sure, guys, but what a fight and what a time to catch this fish. Oh gosh. All right, folks, just got out the camera. Check out this guy's colors. Absolutely gorgeous fish right here. And he is in fact a bull red. I just measured him up. He's 31 inches. So with that being said, guys, we are going to release him. There he goes, folks. What a fish. Oh my gosh, that's what it's all about right there, guys. That was insane. Literally, as soon as I took my Hobie Mirage drive out, I was gonna go beach my yak right there. This pole just starts ripping. But yeah, guys, what a fight. That was incredible.